How to block screenshot on Signal private messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can block screenshot on Signal private message. So in order to do this procedure, first of all you need to make sure that your app is up to date and check your internet connection. Log in into your Signal account. As soon as you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So in order to block screenshot on Signal, you'll need to tap on the three dot icon located right on top. After that, from the pop-up, you'll need to click on settings. Once you tap on the settings button, you'll be able to see multiple options. From here, you'll need to scroll down a bit and tap on the privacy button. After that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see app security. In order to block screenshot on Signal, you need to tap on or toggle screen lock, which is right over here. And once again, for the screen security as well, you need to tap on it. As soon as I've enabled this, you might not be able to see my screen, so I'm just gonna disable it again. So basically that is how you can block screenshot on Signal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.